present you with Didier, our Chablis Premier Cru Côte de Leuchet 2018 from the brand Léo de Milly. Léo de Milly means the heights of Milly, because our cellar is located in the village of Milly, which is a very small village just nearby Chablis. First, few words about Chablis. The vineyard of Chablis is located in France, 2,000 kilometers away from Paris, northeast from Paris. And as Burgundy is a long area, Chablis is the north entrance to Burgundy. This is a map of the Chablis area. You have to know that Chablis spreads on 4 levels of appellation: Petit Chablis, Chablis, Chablis Premier Cru, and Chablis Grand Cru. The whole surface is 5,500 hectares. The differences between the 4 levels comes from the exposure to the sun and the slope. Here you have on the map, you have Chablis on the center, which is logic. The little village of Milly, where we are, you see it's very close. And then you can see different colors. The very pale yellow, it's Petit Chablis. The medium yellow is Chablis. Yellow, more strong, is Premier Cru. And this one, almost a bit orange, is the Grand Cru. Here, for example, you have to imagine this is like this, facing facing northwest. It's a Chablis, and just the opposite side slope is Côte de Leuchet. It's exposed southeast to the sun. So of course, the more you have sun during the day on the vineyard, the more complexity and structure you will have on the wine. So it's logic. Last general information. All the Chablis area is planted with Chardonnay. So, of course, we are not promoting a Chardonnay because it's a very, very special Chardonnay, because it is planted in Chablis with very special soils. So we will now taste the Chablis Premier Cru Côte de Leuchet, this area.
So this is the Côte de Leuchet in vintage 18. The vineyards of this wine come from just behind the domain. It's a Premier Cru Côte de Leuchet. It's a very typical Premier Cru of Chablis with very good minerality. When you walk in the vineyard, you can see a lot of stone in the surface, but deeper you have more stone, and it's breaking the typicity of the wine. So for this wine, the vinification is 80% in tank, always in stainless steel tank, and 20-25% in barrels. Just a very small part in new barrels. We prefer to use old barrels to keep the freshness of the Chablis. So when you smell it, it's very complex with a signature of flintiness and very good minerality. You can smell the stone when you smell it.
And when you see the soil, you understand the wine. You have a lot of stones on the vineyard and fossils, and you really have them on the wine. And also some salty character.
And in mouth, it's powerful, but delicate, powerful, and some citrus, lemon, and grapefruit, and it's very typical of the Côte de Leuchet. And at the end, you can smell some salty sensation. So to serve is perfect with white meats, with a little bit creamy, but light creamy, spicy, not too much spicy because it's very difficult to find the good balance. With cook a little bit spicy, it's perfect too, and with
good risotto.
With risotto, it's perfect. With lemon,
Can be nice.
It's nice.
We have to say that this premier cru can be really associated with a lot of different food because its structure really allows a lot of different pairing, and also when you want to discover and understand what is the minerality, of Chablis, I really recommend to have this wine because you will have all the explanation of what is the real classic minerality. So enjoy it. Cheers!